Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to connect Shopify to Amazon. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify App Store by clicking on the Apps button. And now, after opening the Shopify App Store, search for Amazon Importer. After that, click on the Add App button. And now click on the Install App button. After that, an Amazon dashboard will appear. So now you have two options. First, to associate Amazon by sign up, or you can also sign in if you already have an account. And now click on the import products button. And now click on the go to Amazon. So after that, select the product and copy the URL. After that, paste the URL and click on the add product button. After pasting it here and after clicking on the add product button, that's how you will sync your product of Amazon directly to your Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.